Good morning! We are here in Dubai. It is our first full day here in Dubai today. We left Beijing yesterday at 4 AM in the morning. We had an 8-hour flight with Emirates, landed in Dubai, checked in at the Shangri-La Hotel. Expect a full comprehensive review shortly. And then we just spent the evening wandering around the neighbourhood and trying out some different local foods. And then we had an early night, ready for right now. It is nearly 7 o'clock in the morning. We're about to head out with the Dubai Private Adventures to go do some dune bashing. I am so excited. So we're here in the club lounge at the Shangri-La Hotel in Dubai. They have an afternoon tea that they run from 1 o'clock till 4 o'clock every day. With our hotel package thing, we have the Horizon Club Lounge included. So it means that you get breakfast in the morning from I think it's 7 AM till 10:30 AM most days, and then Friday and Saturday it's 11 AM up until. But anyway, afternoon tea is 1 till 4, and they have lots of really yummy snacks and sweet things and drinks. So they also have a really beautiful view of the Dubai city as well. So after afternoon tea, we decided to head up to the 42nd floor of the Shangri-La Hotel. So if you are an Horizon Club member, you can head up to this top floor There is like a pool inside with like a jacuzzi area as well, but there's also a deck outside which gives you some breathtaking views of Dubai, but also some amazing shots of the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa. So we had an amazing day today. We went dune bashing in the desert, incredible. If you only have time to do one thing whilst you're in Dubai, do dune bashing. It was amazing. We went with Dubai Private Adventures and they were incredible. Our tour guide, amazing, so just do it. Anyway, after that we then came back to our hotel, had some afternoon tea and enjoyed the pool for a little bit because it's really hot here in Dubai. And then we decided to go for a walk to get to go find a restaurant. And we found Nandos. Now this sounds ridiculous to anyone that isn't English, but Nandos is a chain restaurant in England that does peri-peri chicken, and we just love it. I don't know why, it was a really cool thing at some point, but we still love it. Anyway, we haven't had it for like 5 months whilst we're in China, because in China they don't have Nandos. But they have it here, so we're going to go have a Nandos in the middle of Dubai and then have an early night. So, if you've liked this video, please make sure you like our video and subscribe for some more Dubai vlog videos, but also some videos of us travelling and living in China. I hope you enjoyed our day. See you next time. Bye!